Your RockStopperz kit includes a pre-mixed tack and cleaning solution in the smaller bottle. Prepare your slip solution by filling the larger spray bottle included in your kit with water and add around 7 drops of the included soap. If you need to refill your slip solution at any point, empty and rinse your bottle before refilling. If your vehicle is clean, you can use the included tack solution to prepare the painted surface for the installation. Please note, if your vehicle has any special waxes or ceramic coatings, they will need to be removed before installation, as they may prevent the film from adhering. Refer to the kit diagram to familiarize yourself with where each piece will be installed. Spray your hands with your slip solution to help prevent placing fingerprints in your film. Spray the door sill area for application. Locate the front lower section door sill protection piece and remove from the release liner. Spray the adhesive side of the film with your slip solution and place the piece on the door sill as shown. Align your film so that the edges aren't hanging over areas where you won't have good contact with the paint. Spray the top of the film with your slip solution and begin squeegeeing out the slip solution beneath the top section of the film. Be sure to use good firm pressure and overlapping passes. Starting from the flat section, squeegee the section that folds down to the exterior section of the vehicle. Make sure everything is secured before moving to the next piece. Find the corresponding upper section and spray both the painted area and adhesive side of the film piece. Attach the film piece to the top section and once aligned, make a light pass with your squeegee, followed by a firmer pass. Once the film is attached on the top section, fold the film over and squeegee it down. You can use your microfiber towel to help wick any water away from the edges to help seal the film down to the paint. Repeat the process for the remaining pieces. You can use your tack solution to help seal down the edges, and a hairdryer or heat gun on low may also help in cooler climates. Once everything looks tacked down, wrap your squeegee with a dry section of the included microfiber towel and wick any remaining fluid from the edges of your film kit. Once all of your edges are sealed, you can dry the area and are okay to drive. Please wait 48 hours before your next car wash.